Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this ombre eyeliner, then keep watching. So we're going to start off with some concealer, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and just blending that in with the sponge and setting that down with some translucent powder. We want our eyelids to be nice and even because we're not using any shadows on them. So then I'm going to take a little bit more concealer, put it on the back of my hand, and I'm using a angled Morphe brush to apply my winged eyeliner today. So I'm just coating that eyeliner brush with a bunch of concealer, and I've already applied some tape to the outer corner of my eyes because I want this eyeliner to be nice and sharp, and tape helps me get that nice sharp edge. So what I'm doing here is just laying down a base, and then I will go back in and just thicken up that eyeliner. Now you can go as thick as you want to. This is about as thick as I'm going to get, but you want it thick enough for the eyeshadow to show up. Now, I don't look very good with thick eyeliner, so I'm going to keep it nice and simple. So here I'm going in with a detail brush, and I'm taking the color Artistic from the Morphe 39A palette, and then I switch back over to that angled eyeliner brush. It was just a little bit easier to apply that shadow. So you want to start off nice and smooth. You don't want to take it up too high because then you'll have to clean it up, and then just apply as much pigment as you want. And then just repeat that step to the other eye. Make sure everything is even. So then I'm going in with Bronze Chrome, and that is our middle shade. So I'm just blending it in with the first color and then taking it out, not to the edge, but a little bit past the pupil. And with the ombre eyeliner, you can do whatever color combo you want. So then I'm going in with our last color, which is black, and it's Muse from the palette. And that is going to be the tail of our eyeliner. And I'm just starting off little by little, and that way I don't mess up, because it's bound to happen that I will mess up. So just repeat the same steps on each eye and make sure everything is blended and nice and even. You want the eyeliners to be the same thickness. So I removed the tape, and here I'm just cleaning up that outer edge with a little bit more of that black shadow. And here's the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good. This is the first time I'm doing an ombre eyeliner, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my face makeup. I did not apply any lashes, just mascara, because I want the focus to be on that eyeliner, but you are welcome to apply whatever lashes you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below, give this video a big old thumbs up, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!